This is the TSLA one-day reading for October 29th, 2024. It's currently September 23rd, 2024, 2:06 p.m. Eastern Time. TSLA at the time of this reading, $248.58. That's USD. The shuffle video for the October 29th reading was created on August 4th, 2024 at 6:02 p.m. Eastern Time. In this video, we're going to go over the overall trend direction for the day. We're going to talk about the chart behavior around the day's highest high and the chart behavior around the day's lowest low, as well as the general timing down to roughly about an hour as far as where they are throughout the day. And then we're going to get into where the best trades are and the chart behavior by the hour, basically. You have to give it plus or minus an hour here or there of wiggle room, and not in all readings, in a few readings here or there. But always pay attention to the sequence of events, because that will keep you on track if we are plus or minus a little bit here or there on the timing. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have bumping along resistance sideways, overall bullish behavior, but the majority of that bullish behavior will be just bumping along sideways. Behavior around the highest side, we have a rally into key resistance, and then there's usually like a notable and equidistant, if not more, decline off of that resistance. Interesting. Behavior around the lowest low, an important technical price level on a probably a 1 month scale minimum near the low or at the low, and I'm advised to trade around an important support level on a multi-day scale that can be trusted and relied upon. In the pre-market, we open lower, and there's an unexpected or a notable move, not necessarily unexpected, but there's a lower open in the pre-market with a big move that'll stand out on a one-day chart in the pre-market to the upside, taking us to a high probably in the pre-market or at the open. There should be a decline around the open off of that high, offering some trade opportunity. A pretty notable decline in the first half hour into a low somewhere between 10 and 12, but there is quite a bit of volatility in there between 10 and 12, especially between 10 and 11, an important resistance level highlighted. Pretty wild behavior, but there's a brief peak in there and then a decline followed by a brief peak followed by a decline through multiple supports into a low there in that 11 to 12 o'clock hour. We have a peak between roughly 12 and 1 where we break through resistance, we stay above it briefly, break back down through it shortly thereafter, attempt to establish support between 1 and 2, and then out of a decline there's a big move from the bottom of the range to the top of the range, creating a peak there. Between roughly 2 and 3 we have a period of volatility and a sharp drop that stands out in that period of volatility. Sideways rotation in the last hour with a big move right at the close to the upside. It's not a high, the end of the day is not a high, but there's a notable move to the upside right at the close, and then that's followed by a sharp drop back down. And that's TSLA for October 29th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go, you know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. Guys, if you want to see your ticker or your crypto, well, actually it's just for tickers. If you want to see your stock ticker covered on a daily basis by the hour for a month of your choosing, check out our custom readings section on our website, Tarot for Traders, under Order Now, Custom Readings. 2,500 gets you a month's worth of one-day readings by the hour with highs and lows, not just for the month, but for each day as well, and day trades as well as swing trades.